Welcome to Frontier. Go to the Assets tab to create your digital material. In this video, we will show you how to use the manual upload feature. Manual upload is used when there is no physical fabric information or if the information you have is incomplete. Start by clicking on Create Material. Choose whether you're going to scan one or both sides of the fabric, then fill out the fabric specifications. Public tags are just like keywords. They make it easier for other users to locate fabric on the Frontier platform. Add your unique tags here. You can also add private tags and remarks for the benefit of you and your internal members. You can upload additional information such as fabric test reports, certifications, videos, care instructions, and much more. If you do not have your own swatch card, or there is no item number on the card, you can either print off Frontier's A4 standard swatch and attach the fabric to the card, or print off the Frontier QR code label and attach it to the fabric. Once you have printed off Frontier's A4 standard swatch, attach your chosen fabric to it. Then scan and send to the unique email address that you have already selected. You can now view your digitized fabric within the Assets tab. Thanks for watching.